yeah, damping mold has always been something that's on our agenda to try and fix, but without having the true information on data performance and being able to get that customer insight, it was something that, like a lot of housing associations, we found ourselves on the circle of find it being reported or being identified by either a colleague or reported by a customer. We would go and have the initial survey, we would do remedial work, but then it would come back the following winter or a few years later, and we'd be back on that cycle, which we understand as a business, ultimately that offers very poor customer service, and also to our asset. Obviously, it means that the asset may not obviously live out its designated lifespan. So it's something we've been aware of, like all social housing. Obviously, there is a media spotlight on there, which is absolutely understandable. And some of the things being reported in the national outlets are clearly unacceptable. And us as a sector need to obviously find a long-term solution to eradicate these problems.